In this quick tutorial, I am gonna show you how you can add your any shorts in playlist. So for that, first of all, you have to select your short. So let's say I want to add this short in my playlist, whichever I want. So for that, first of all, you have to pause that short and you will see an option of 3 dot in top right corner of your screen. Now you have to click on this 3 dot. Then you will see an option called save to playlist. So go ahead and click on it. And then now you have to select a playlist whichever you want to save this video on. So let's say I want to save this video in watch later. So for that you have to click on it. And now you have to click on this done option in a bottom. And that is how you can save any playlist, any shorts in any playlist. So I will show you the short. So here, as you can see, this is my short. So that is how you can upload any short in any playlist. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.